Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to be showing you this really beautiful centerpiece. Super simplistic. You can put it on a table, side table. You know, at an event, obviously, you have gorgeous pieces here, but we wanted to make it really inexpensive and also easy to put together. So with these 4 items, let's just get started. So we're starting with that clear vase that is just a cube and putting some faux pearl beads. And here we're just picking out one of our 2 bouquets here. I love these silk flowers because they look real. I've worked with a lot of events and it's hard to find flowers that are inexpensive but also look real and elegant, and these are definitely the pick. So check in the description below. We have all sorts of colors and styles and different kinds of flowers, so check that. Here we're going to be putting together our 15-inch clear acrylic stand. Now it comes with 4 of these columns here. As you can see, it's super easy. You're just putting it in the bottom and also securing it with the top. Now I wouldn't put anything too heavy on the top, so I'm talking candles, a cake topper, more flowers, maybe some kind of vine that's draping down to the bottom, and then you're just going to place that really nice bouquet in the bottom, and voila, you are done. Let me just tell you, this is not going to take forever. This is 5 minutes at most, and you've got a gorgeous look here. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you did, make sure you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor, party, and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.